Matrix MLS tips with your Miami trainers, reverse prospecting. Reverse prospecting in Matrix is a powerful tool that allows you to view a list of agents who have shared your listing. This feature can be beneficial in several ways. Identify potential buyers, establish connections, and gather valuable insights. To find this information, hover over My Matrix. Select My Listings. Under My Listings, be sure to select My Active Listings. Select the listing of your choice and select Reverse Prospecting. Once selected, you'll have access to the agents, the reference number of their consumer, if the listing has been pre-approved, the count type is the total number of listings each contact has been sent. You have the date sent, and the email, the office, and the direct work number to contact the agent. Always more with Miami and your Miami trainers.